Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to be discussing. Today we are going to be taking the topic cell division. Cell division can be defined as the breaking down or the splitting of a parent cell into two or more daughter cells. Cell division is one of the bases of growth. Cell division is very important for reproduction in all organisms, and it's also any form of reproduction, asexual and sexual reproduction. And as I've said before, it is the basis of growth, so it is very important for growth in organisms. In cell division, the nucleus and the cytoplasm of a parent cell divides into two to form another daughter cell, and four, then it begins to divide, so on. The cell division usually occurs as a cycle of the cell division process. It always repeats itself. After one parent cell has divided into daughter cell, then the daughter cell will eventually grow and become a parent cell. Then the cycle continues that way. Then, so under cell division, we have two types. We have the mitosis and the meiosis. I'm going to discuss the different phases under mitosis and the different phases under meiosis and the differences between mitosis and meiosis. Thank you.
Mitosis. Mitosis is the division of somatic cells, that is the body cells, into two daughter cells. And the daughter cells has the same chromosome context as the parent cells. That is, all attributes in the parent cells the same as the ones in the daughter cells. The mitosis occurs during growth in organisms, development, and also asexual reproduction. Mitosis in plants occurs in the terminal buds, that is, in the shoot and the roots of the plants. There are 5 stages of mitosis, which are the interphase, prophase, the metaphase, anaphase, and the telophase.
So, like the speaker before me said, she said mitosis has 5 phases, which includes the interphase, the metaphase, the prophase, and the anaphase, and the telophase. But ordinarily, the interphase has another name, which is known as the resting phase. Now, ordinarily, this interphase is not categorized under the mitosis stages. This is because it is not where the cell division starts. Do you understand? Now, I said it was formerly referred to as a resting phase. This is because it is not a resting phase. At this particular stage, yes, the cell is not dividing, but there are some activities that takes place in the cell. Most of the cells in the body, that is the phase that they usually are most times. Now, during this phase, the interphase, that is when the cell will grow. Now, don't mix up cell growth and cell division. The cell, they are going to grow. Then there will also be replication of the DNA. All these are for the preparation of the process of mitosis. But mitosis hasn't yet started. There will also be synthesis of protein. Protein will be synthesized. Then the cell will also engulf materials, nutrients, and other things from the environment. So all these occurs within the cell. So if you now refer to it as the resting phase, so all the activities that is going on, all the metabolic activities, the processes that is now going on in the cell, where do we categorize that? So that is why I said it was formerly known as resting phase, but now it is not known as that again. And of course, it is not part of the cell division process.
After the interphase stage, it is the prophase. The prophase, in this stage, there are several events that takes place in preparing the cell for division. The first stage is the chromatin condensation. The chromatin is a complex of DNA and protein, which begins to condense and which begins to condense into chromosomes, and the chromosomes consist of 2 sister chromatids. After the condensation of chromatins, it is the nucleus envelope breakdown. The nucleus envelope breakdown, that is, it is the nucleus that surrounds these chromosomes, which allow the easy access of other cell structures. And after that is the spindle formation. The spindle formation is the process it is made up of microtubules, and these microtubules um, enlarge the chromosomes. And the chromosomes, after that, the chromosome moves apart, and it helps in the easily access of other structures, and the nucleus disappears. After the chromosomes have been enlarged, the nucleus disappears, which allows um, the easy division of the mitosis stage. And after this, it prepares the mitosis for the metaphase, the prophase for the metaphase.